Hello guys. Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. We are so happy to see Umfundo Vilakazi and the good news that he has. They said he's joining the Canning Black Label Knockout Cup. He has selected people who voted for him, and that is a good news for him to gain more experience from different teams. I think that will make him, that will boost him due to his play. He's playing very well, but there is still something that is missing. He is still scared to take a player one on one. He's still, I think, he's struggling on the right side. He's supposed to play on the center, or by number 10. He's supposed to play there in number 10 position so that we can see what he has, because we know very well that he has something. He hasn't shown it all, but the one day he will show us what he really is. Because Mfundo Vilakazi, when it comes to youngsters, he can be number 2, because Mfukeng he already took the position. I think for him he can be number 2. I know this guy for TS Galaxy, Nomtangela, something like this. He's the best player as well. But for Mfundo Vilakazi, he can do his passes, he can kick corner kicks, he can kick free kicks. He's good with his foot and his mind. I think there's special thing about him. So we are so happy as Kaizer Chiefs. We need to support the boy so that he can keep on showing us what he has. Because so far, they in Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think they need to bench him. They need to play him always. They need to start with him so that we can attack very quickly. So that even if there is a corner kicks, we know that we have a special player who can deliver a corner kick or free kick. So the other thing is that is left from him is supposed to score with the long balls, long range goals. We need the long range goals so that we can see what he is capable of doing, because so far he can't even kick long range because he's always on the corner, and he's supposed to move from the corner. He's supposed to be